Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video today I'm going to be showing you the best Mech Arena promo codes in 2026. These promo codes for Mech Arena are going to allow you to get tons of free keys. You can get free credits and free A coins as well, saving you a bunch of money from the in-app purchases. And I spent a long time searching for these codes. I searched on Google and also watched other YouTube videos, and the promo codes that I'm going to show you for Mech Arena are the very best. Before I show you them, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for money saving codes for different games. So basically, guys, what you're going to want to do is use your mobile internet browser to obtain these codes, and then you can redeem them in game. So go to this website on your mobile internet, www.crashcoupons.com. So type it like this, Crash Coupons. And if you type it correctly, it's going to bring you to this game code website here, and they have hundreds and hundreds of different game codes. So what you're going to want to do, guys, to speed up the process of finding the Mech Arena promo codes page, use the search bar at the top of the page and search for Mech Arena. On this page there are 3 verified working coupon codes, so go ahead and scroll down and see what's available. You can get 100 free keys, you can get 25,000 free A coins, and you can get 100,000 free credits. So just select the code you want. For this example, I'm going to select this A coins code, and these are the best Mech Arena promo codes working right now in 2026. So these are limited codes, so I've already done this, so I won't waste a code for this tutorial. But basically you're going to see this page here where it says your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So because these are limited codes, it limits 1 of these per person, so you need to unlock your personal code. You can see it is hidden. So to do that, click on this button, and it's going to bring up this page here that tells you how to get your Mech Arena promo code. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Crash Coupons, and you need to make sure you follow the instructions below each. So these are basically like mobile apps and stuff like that, guys. They're all completely free and they take a few minutes to complete. Just make sure you read the description. As long as you follow what it says, you're going to be able to complete them pretty quick. And once you complete 2 of those, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and if you do everything correctly, your promo code will be revealed. So your Mech Arena code will be there, and you can grab it, redeem it in game, and that is going to give you 25,000 free A coins, but they do have the other codes as well. So go to Crash Coupons. Need any help, let me know. Make sure you do also like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.